Okay guys, this is gonna be a quick video regarding what to check when it comes to buying a gaming PC. I can't stress enough because I'm seeing a lot of sellers or even manufacturers do the same common practice where they shove a crappy processor. As a result, your laptop's running slow or your desktop is running slow. So the process is the main go-to if you're getting it from the manufacturer to actually check for yourself. Anyways, to do the checks is quite simple. It's not rocket science. Go to this website. It's called cpubenchmark.net. It'll give you loads of CPU around the globe where they are benchmarked and tested for you. So if you were to do this, you'll understand where I'm coming at. So I'm just going to give you guys a eBay listing, for example. I'm going to show you guys here exactly how to check. First thing you want to do is check if the seller has listed the processor. Normally, certain sellers do not list those because of other companies, taking the idea of getting those CPU manufactured. So that was they'll kind of lose business if they were to show that kind of information. But normally certain sellers do show you that information, and all you gotta do is just copy, Control-C on the keyboard, and then going to this website, and then you'll have to check into high end and high mid-range, or even low mid-range, depending what your CPU. So first, let's say I'm thinking it might be high end. This computer might feel like it's a kind of high end. So what I'm gonna do is Control F, press Control F. You'll get the bar at the bottom, and then Control V. That pastes it, and we don't seem to see it. So you'll notice if it's the right one. You'll have to go down and just to find out if it is the right one, just to figure out. So you're clicking the button at the same time. Nope, it doesn't seem to be in a high end zone. So we're gonna check out the high mid range. Okay, we're in high mid-range now. We're gonna press this once, and there. So there you have it. So as you can see, I wouldn't even call it a mid-range. Total rubbish. Anything above 5,000 or 6,000 is good in my books, anyways. Anything above 10 or 12, 15k, you're just laughing, because then anything above 10k is just nice to have. You'll be able to play like 1440p games on top of 4k as well. They do recommend between 15 to 20k at least for when it comes to benchmark regarding this. So even if you were to just click this and obviously get information regarding this, you'll understand the score rating. You'll have to just look at the score rating. The higher it is, the better. So if you can get a gaming computer that gets you it's good on you. But anyways, we do obviously cater for gaming PCs as well, so we do look at the specs and we do cater towards the budget of the customers. So if you need a gaming computer, do let us know. Subscribe and like our videos, and thank you for watching.